In less than 24 hours, this motor will look brand new. Brand new, that's right. Literally, watch this, like within a...
Let me break it down, I'm a nigga that ride or die, homie. 2 guns up, or they either on my side, homie. I ain't first base, so I won't let you slide on me. I ain't great adventure, so I won't let you ride on me. You opened your mouth, I believe I could shut it, nigga. He ain't the barber, but your face, I could cut it, nigga. Spent the $500,000 on the lawyer, nigga. Extraordinary gentleman, just like Tom Sawyer, nigga. Yeah. Bust the rifle from far away, and I'm still trying to figure the triflest part of day. Is it morning when the fiends cop, or is it noon when the willies wake up from their dream op, or is it nighttime when we all grind till the green come? I'm smoked out with a machine gun. I'm in some more black, no, I'm always on the lean, son. Steady looking for the cream, huh? And I'm probably with a bad bitch, but I'm usually for Delph, where I'm headed with a cat.